Hey guys, it's Miss Bull and I am here in my yard again. We're going to do a really exciting, well maybe it's not going to be that exciting for you, but I think it's exciting, Earth Day craft. So the stuff you're going to need are you're going to need some washable markers and some plain just white or any color really coffee filters and a plain white piece of paper, and hopefully you have all that stuff at home so we can get started. So Earth Day is obviously all about celebrating the earth, and these are two of the little art projects that I've already made. And it's actually a kind of printmaking, and I heard once that an astronaut described seeing the earth from space as a blue marble. When I think about a marble, it has all those beautiful swirls and colors and some spaces. And if you think about what we can see of the earth from space, we can see oceans and land and some mountains and some snow or cloud cover. So I have chosen some of my markers in green and blue, and lucky this technique will leave us a little bit of white space for our clouds and snow. So this is the kind of coffee filter that I'm using, the round kind. And obviously we know that the earth is not really a circle, but the earth is a globe or a sphere because it's three-dimensional, and this is just two-dimensional. So it's really just going to be a picture. But I have my coffee filter all ready, and then right over here you'll see that I have my piece of paper. And I am going to just color, and I'm going to put a lot of colors and a lot of different patterns and stuff on it, but I'm not going to worry about it too much. So I've already tried a couple of these, and I tried them with some with lots of color, some with a little bit of color, but really I like to make sure that it goes all the way around out to the edge because we do want it to kind of look like it is the earth in the sky. And so you can see I've just really done a lot of scribble scrabble. And adult helpers, please make sure that they are using obviously washable markers, and then it would be great also to have something underneath it because the colors might bleed through a little bit, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my coffee filter and I'm going to put it right in the middle, or as close to the middle as possible, of my plain white paper. And there are two ways that you can do this. You can get a bowl of water and you can just kind of flick the water on, but I'm lucky enough to have a spray bottle. See my spray bottle? So just watch what's going to happen. I'm going to spray, and I'm starting in the middle first, simply because that will be how it lays down better. And if you look very closely, you can see how the color is really starting to just bleed beautifully, and interestingly, it stops right on the edge of our coffee filter. You don't really want to get it too wet, because if you get it too wet, it'll get all mucky and muddy. And you can see how it's kind of bubbled up in places. Where it's bubbled up, you're obviously not going to get color on the paper, but I kind of like that because then that's where your mountains and your snow caps can be. So really I've just left it on there for a little while, and I am going to carefully, realizing that I am going to get blue or green fingers, just peel up that. You can see how beautiful even the coffee filter looked. It looks like a tie-dye. So you kind of end up with two artworks here. You end up with this beautiful print, and you also end up with this beautiful coffee filter. So I would try to, when you pull it off, to be a little bit careful so you can preserve that coffee filter, and I will show you what you can do with it. For this next step, I just got my glue stick and another color of marker so I can write a nice Earth Day message. And I'm going to glue the coffee filter onto the paper and then write my message. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. This one is one that was a print, and I just wrote a nice Earth Day message on it. Here's another one, which I really like. It just says Save Mother Earth, but I thought that this coffee filter really turned out to look like the blue marble. And I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope I get to see some pictures of your beautiful artwork.